This multimedia tutorial shows you how you can organize learners into groups to enable cooperative work in the course. You can find the group function in the Participants menu. Now click on the gear icon on this page and select Groups. As you can see, no groups exist yet in the present course. You can now either create groups manually or create them automatically if required. Automatic creation can be carried out, for example, on the basis of a group number or a desired group size. You can then assign these groups randomly or alphabetically using the first or last names. As a third option, you can also import groups from a text file. To create a single group manually, click on Create Group. First, assign a group name, such as Mechanics Group. The other settings are optional and are not usually required. To create the group now, click on Save Changes. The group has been successfully created and highlighted. With the button Add Remove Users, you can now add students to this group. Search for students in the right column using the search box. Highlight the person you want and then click Add to add them to the group. Once successfully added, the students will be displayed in the left column. The group is now filled with students. A tip: press the Control key to select multiple students. Now go back to the course start page by clicking on the course name. One of the most useful features of groups is that in many different contexts, for example, under grades or in all activities, instead of displaying the entire list of all students in the course, you can display only the students of a particular group. To enable this feature for the course, open the course settings by clicking on Edit Settings under the gear icon. First, expand the Groups section. Here, click on the drop-down element of the Group Mode parameter and select Visible Groups. To apply the settings, click on Save and Display at the bottom. Now open the Grades menu of the course. You can now use the Visible Groups drop-down element to view only the grades of students of a specific group. For example, select the Mechanics group you created earlier. We see that only Max Muster, the only student in the Mechanics group, is displayed. To learn how to allow students to enroll themselves in groups or see in which groups they are enrolled, see our tutorial Use the Group Tool activity.